Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Two the Ray Boys and the Toys. Check it out, guys. As you know from our previous video, I sold my lovely Dodge Magnum. All right, love that car, really enjoyed it. But the question was, what am I gonna replace it with? All right, let me show you what I have here. All right, first let me introduce the guy who helped me get this car. All right, or this vehicle. This is Jason.
Hi, how you doing?
All right, Jason is from where? We're in
Dundalk, Maryland.
Maryland. And the dealership?
Norris Ford.
Norris Ford. All right. Hooked up. He ended up, conversing. Came down here, all the way from New York, down to Maryland to pick this battle up. And let me show you what I picked up. Right there, right there. Let's get a closer look at it, all right? And what I'm thinking about doing with it, but I'm excited to have it. All right, so guys, I end up picking this up instead of a Tesla. Why did I do that? Stand tuned and I'll let you know. All right, this is my new ride, not a Tesla. We'll get into the reasons why. All right guys, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.